In this lecture, we will see conditional and unconditional statements in C Sharp. Conditional statements are if statement, if else statement, if else statement, and switch statement. And unconditional statements are break, continue, go to, and return.
First, we will see conditional statements. First is if statement. You can use this statement to specify a block of C# code to be executed if a condition is true. The general syntax is if will check the condition and then block of statements are executed. For example, if 20 greater than 18, then it will print 20 is greater than 80. That is, if the condition is true, then nested block is executed. Next is if else statement. You can use this statement to specify first block of C# code to be executed if the condition is true, else second block is executed. General syntax is if condition, then statement 1 is executed, else statement 2 is executed. That is, if the condition is true, statement 1 is executed, else statement 2 is executed. Here we will see example. If a greater than 18, it will print a is greater than 18, else it will print a is less than 18. Next is if else if. You can use this statement to specify the first condition is true, first block is executed. Else, if second condition is true, second block is executed. And if both conditions are false, third block is executed. General syntax is if it will check condition 1, then statement 1 is executed. Else, if condition 2 is true, statement 2 is executed. Else, statement 3 are executed. Here in this example, if a is greater than 18, it will print a is greater than 18. Else, if a is less than 18, it will print a is less than 18. And if both the conditions are false, it will print a is equal to 18. Next is switch statement. Switch statement is used to select one of many code blocks that to be executed. Here general syntax is switch expression on which you are going to execute the statements, and different case statements are there. Case X, then statement 1 is executed. If case Y, then statement 2 is executed. And if case 3, case Z, statement 3 is executed. In this example, we have declared one variables int day equal to 3, and in switch statement I will use day as an expression that will check the value of day, and depend on the value of day it will execute the case statement. So it will first check case 1, it will print 1. If case 2, it will print 2, and case 3, it will print 3. That is, depend on the value of day, the value will be printed is 3.
Now we'll see unconditional statements. First is break, which is used to exit or terminate the closest enclosing loop or switch statement. Continue statement skips the remaining statement in the loop body. Go to statement, also known as jump statement, which is used to transfer the control to the other part of the program. And return statement terminates program execution of the method in which it appears and return the control to back to the calling method. It can also return operations value. If method is void type, then return statement can be optional.